Hello. Honorable Ruben Vincent Obo, Abua Odwa, the candidate.
Strong economy, united Nigeria.
Strong economy, united Nigeria.
APP.
I can see the smiles on your faces. I can see the smiles of hope. Therefore, don't just jubilate here. Reserve your jubilation. After 5th of October, we will have reasons to jubilate. I'm therefore handing over my party flag to your brother, to your son, to your friend, to go and deliver our party in this local government. Please go. Go. This is a flag of liberation. This is a flag of unity. This is a flag of oneness. This is a flag of progress. Go and do our party proud.
Thank you. Thank you. The victory is yours. Congratulations in advance. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Agriye Harry, Degeba local government candidate.
You heard the song they just sang. I thought that song should have been sung for me. The man is already a big man. APP! Mr. Harry, or Dr. Harry, is a man that has distinguished himself in civil service. He has come an niche for himself. He's a man that has been tested, tried, and proven. We do not have any resistance whatsoever. We are pleased to hand over our party flag to him, so he will go and replicate that wonderful career, illustrious career he had in the civil service in politics. Please, this is a flag of liberation. This is a flag of oneness. This is a flag of progress. Go and deliver your people.
Go and deliver your people. That is the message. Honorable Tonye Oyinde. Honorable Tonye Oyinde. Akukupari local government.
Tonye Oyinde. United Nigeria and strong economy is what APP. That's what we represent. Please hear me out. Please hear me out. Please hear me out. Come.
Hello. No. they going now?
Hello? 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 Come, should I drop this flag? Should I drop this flag? Okay, respect yourselves now. APP is a party that has people who are disciplined, people who are cultured. We can't be doing things like other political parties. I want to talk about this young lady I want to hand over this flag to. She has been this and she has been that. She has been a commissioner in this state. She has even been a federal commissioner. And that will tell you the nature and the caliber of our party. People who have accepted, who have served in this capacity at the national and state level are still coming down to serve your people at the local level. If there's anyone who is going to lead the pack of council chairmen that will do well, is Mrs. Toye Oninde. We expect the best. We expect the best from her because she has served in various levels that other aspirants and other candidates rather have not served. Therefore, Mrs. Toye Oninde, the daughter of Rivers State, we are telling you today, I hand over this flag to you. Do not disappoint APP. Do not disappoint your local government people. Do not disappoint Rivers people. Much is expected from you because much is given to you. Have this flag of unity. Have this flag of progress. Have this flag of liberation. Go and deliver your people.
Yes, can we now very respectfully invite another chairmanship candidate for Action People's Party, Mr. Iyeko Ikporo, for Ahoada West Local Government. Mr. Iyeko Ikporo is sitting.
Today we are handing over this flag of liberation, flag of unity, flag of progress, flag of development of our people to our brother. Much is expected from you. Please go. We have confidence in you. You are a true River son because your record precedes you. We are confident that you will deliver and help your people and put smiles on your people. Therefore, we are proud to hand over this flag to you. Go and deliver your people.
Yeah. Thank you. May we now also respectfully call on this platform the distinguished chairmanship candidate for Ogba Egbema Ndoni local government area, Prince Omejiru Isaac. Prince Omejiru Isaac for Ogba Egbema Ndoni local government
Jesus, In your special way, what was impossible, you make possible. Jesus, lift your voice and say, Jesus, Jesus, you are God in heaven. Jesus, in your special way, what was impossible, you made possible. Jesus,
Strong economy, united Nigeria.
APP. Have you ever seen a handsome man as it? Yet he's calm and calculating. Yet he's humble and obedient. But the most beautiful thing of it all is that he has his trust and faith in God. On this note, let me do what I have not done in other local governments. Let me invite the worthy sons of Onelga who have distinguished themselves in character and in learning to come and join me in presenting this flag to Omejiro. Today, have you seen the cream of people who are helping me to present this flag? If we fail, hold them responsible. And we will not fail. Because failure is not in our record. Failure is not in our dictionary. Therefore, we will pass. Therefore, I present this flag to you, my brother Omejiro. You've seen the love your people have shown to you. Please replicate this love. Do not allow the spoils of office to change this. Treat them well. Assimilate with them. Give them reasons to smile. Give them reasons to believe in government. Go, even as we present this flag of liberation, flag of progress, flag of unity, and flag of development. Go and deliver your people.
Jesus, yeah, you are God in
And now we have got to the point that we will present to you the host, Ahoada East Local Government Area, Honorable Chibudom Ezuru.
all my days I will sing the praise. Yes,
This is where it's happening currently in Rivers State politically. You know what? You know what? Do you know what? Let me.
Yeah.
Do you know what? Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. If you don't close your mouth, I'll go with my flag. We deliberately, because the Nigerian nation is being fed the wrong impression. The Rivers people are not united. The Rivers people are not members of Action People's Party in Rivers State. And we went extra mile to ensure that the whole Nigeria will watch what we are doing today live. With what we saw yesterday in Bori, with what we are seeing today, I'm sure a lot of people have explanation to do to the Ahoada at the national level. But the good news is not because we have gathered here, the good news is that we have not started. Therefore, let me present to you our dear brother, a man of the people, a man of men and a man of women. A man who carry everybody along. A man whose door will be open for you put a walk in. A man who will not create discrimination between the rich and the poor. A man that the poor will run to. For medical bills, he will help. For school fees, he will help. Am I speaking your mind? On behalf of the well over 5 million members of Action People's Party in Rivers State, I present this flag of liberation, this flag of progress, this flag of development, this flag of oneness, blessed with the fear of God, to our brother. Please go and deliver your people.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Vote of thanks by Victor Ekaro. Victor Dennis Ekaro. Vote of thanks. Honorable Victor.
APP. Strong economy, united Nigeria. Let me most respectfully recognize and give honor to whom honor is due. Our state party chairman, Honorable Wokekoro, thank you. The state working committee, thank you. You are received and welcome to Ahoada East, headquarters of Rivers West Senatorial District. You can see the enthusiasm in the faces of the people, the joy and happiness in the faces of our people. Go home and sleep with your 2 eyes closed. From 1999, these are the people that has been winning election here. Come October 5th, the election is as won. It is won. It is won totally. The people that owns the grassroots are here, and that is the end. Let me use this opportunity to assure you that we have a political submarine in this local government. A young, vibrant politician, a political calculator. Everything is done. And the man is... Thank you.
There is a boss. Please hold on. We have to... We have 2 branded new bosses to give to our chairman for his campaign. 2 brand new branded APP bosses to give to him. Go.
As you were ladies and gentlemen, that's the end